It's all about the toasters.
My perfect cursive handwriting.
Exciting moment in bathrooms.
Exciting moments in bathrooms.
Why
is this book here?
Nothing wins the justice.
I gotta pee.
Nothing wins the justice.
Nothing wins the justice. You're the best from now.
How you need costume? I didn't know you were left-handed, Richard.
You're the best from now.
Flush the toilet.
What else? What other cool things are? Let's say.
Whoa, whoa,
Let's see.
whoa.
Kitimi ga beef style video no hiraki.
Write something in Japanese, Akumaaaa.
Oh, I got something. You like driving with the seat back?
Hell yeah, nigga. Oh damn. I wonder if they can see us. I see Billy's head popping around here.
Who's inside?
That gangster Billy, that Jamaican Joe, that Puerto Rican David.
Oh no, the song.
This song. Look at that gangster.
Billy, you're not a dog! Look at that.
Look at that inside the window.
That's what the song says.
Okay, he listen to you. Can I put the jams on? Oh, jam. Check it. There we go.
Oh, damn, you're only halfway there. Oh, my fuel's already starting to dissipate. Yeah. Okay, so here's my evil plan of doom. I'm going to go out and buy an indestructible tank, causing helicopters to come after me and blow me up. But since my tank is indestructible and they don't know that, I'll just go ahead and destroy them all with my indestructible tank without being destroyed myself, because it's indestructible.
Destructo, right? Indestructo.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
See, I think you have a lot of points.
So it looks like Ed is testing out this theory. It's being done on Julie's laptop here.
I thought you would start off in the air. What the hell? Oh, don't do that. Okay. Come on.
Focus.
You're already good enough.
You leveled.
Like, you already have
Oh, Ragnarok.
Oh, barely. You like barely like that.
You think you're so cool because you can
No. So.
Oh shit! Let's go. Okay, now do it again. This is why I think.
Why did you do like, hey?
Let's hear it, gentlemen. Whenever you're a gentleman.
David, tell my other siblings to behave.
I got you. Here's how you throw. Sons, you help.
They aren't listening, Dad.
Listen. It's okay.
Not listening?
Alright,
We're not gonna get into each other, are we?
Two of them waiting.
I don't know.
Yeah, picture time.
Two of them waiting. Picture time.
Alright. Almost the same.
Where'd you get these ones from? Same
Here we
box?
are again.
I don't know. I just grabbed Poptarts out of the pantry. This is what I get.
She started wrong. Good.
Here we are again. Fairy Pop-Tarts. Apparently it's part of the series.
With fairies and princesses.
Fairies.
That girl's eating a
They're
banana.
very delicious.
Yeah.
Each one probably representing a flavor.
But that girl's eating a banana.
What the?
Turn around and come on.
Just kidding.
It was the one that Ian posted.
Ooh, we caught that, Akuma.
Yeah. Lolly! Yeah, she's a I was like, oh man. Yeah.
Gato.
I don't know why she's
Cut. Got it.
My favorite one is when David was telling a story about the little girl that chased him down the street with the big knife. Said, "Come on, play with me," and he took off on the bike as fast as he could.
Oh shoot! How old was he?
A 4-year-old girl with a big butcher knife. Hey, play with me.
Oh shoot!
How old was David? He's probably, I think he was like 13 or something. Oh God, or maybe 7.
Wow.
7, 13.
I reminds me.
It reminds me of Full Metal Panic, the movie. Remember Akumaaaa? The episode where Sasuke goes into the haunted hospital, and a girl comes out with an axe. She's like, I have it. He's like, I have a gun.
Oh yeah.
Why am I scared?
The haunted place, right?
The haunted hospital.
Yeah. I remember that. That kind of reminds me of when somebody was chasing me with the
Dildo?
No.
Nobody dildo.
No.
You know what? Come on. If someone was chasing me with a dildo, I would run too.
But I would run, yeah, right away. But no, someone was chasing me with the permanent marker. And then
well, I could see how that could be.
And then like the teacher was like really pissed off that day. So she's all like, "Nick, Akumaaaa, sit down right now. You're both getting detention." And I was like, "But he's freaking chasing me with the yeah, with the marker." And then like, I don't know. I got detention. She said, "I don't care."
My dad just checked in on us and looked at you like, "Why are you filming this?" Hi, Dad. ¿Qué? Aquí ya tengo. Just like this dildo.
It's like,
Ahorita ya no quiero más. You acquired dildo.
silly.
The only way you can defeat that girl, being a boss. Dildo, go. And then we'll bring out our car, Akuma.
Oh, and the car. We gotta build our own car.
And it's price seeking. Price seeking, yeah. We're gonna buy a seeking plus you just throw it at people. Price seeking.
Oh boy.
You're gonna be Domokun, so you're gonna run around as Domokun.
Domokun.
And then you'll take off your costume and be like, "Oh, I'm the X guy, yeah!"
Yeah, could do both. Kind of like a banana.
What?
You know, when you split it open, it's white. On the outside, it was yellow. Forget it. Oh, what?
Penis. That's Asian man's penis.
No.
Yeah, it's yellow and then white stuff comes out of it.
No, but wait.
Wait.
I'm talking about peeling a banana.
You can peel a penis. It's probably not very fun.
Well, why would it be white?
Huh?
Why would it be white?
Well, not the thing itself would be. Think Richards if we're
Well, see, I'm talking about a real banana. And, you know, that's the analogy.
They're right next to you. There's bananas right there.
See, I mean, it peels. Kind of like, no, just kidding.
Kind of like fufu. I'm just kidding.
Oh, fufu is a different story.
You can eat it so you get sick.
Yeah, that was so cruel.
Well, there's one thing.
Oh, my camera's dying.
There's stuff like that, but you remember the apple crisp? The apple crisp from hell? Oh my god, they were so bad. That was awesome. Didn't you and David get them? No, David had yet to get them. He was like, apple crisp, that sounds good. We're like, no. I couldn't believe how much I wanted to throw up after I ate those. Oh, the apple crisp, well, yeah. But apple
Gross.
David's like, that might sound pretty good. Well, if you want, David, you can try it. But I had like a bit of one, and it was so hard to swallow.